Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. You need to start by opening Play Store and installing your new default app. I will go with Opera Mini Browser. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just click on Home button and access Settings. Now you need to choose Apps and Notifications, click on Default Apps and tap on one of those options. For example, I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, click on Opera Mini to set it up and choose the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!